This is Mel from Mel Booker Music. Let's talk about the dance floor solo from Roger Troutman. Alright, so if you guys want to follow along with this, go to melbookermusic.com, click on the tab that says Library, and then in the Library tab, just scroll through till you see this dance floor style solo, and then you can download that. It's free. If you want to donate, there's links on the bottom of that chart. Okay, let's get started. Okay, measures 1 going into measure 2. We're going from G to A right here. D minor pentatonic stuff. Then we're going down here, A, G. So here's the whole thing. 2, 3. Okay, here's the next section. And on your tab, this will be like the second half of that second measure going into the next measure. So. Now you're starting here on this F. Make sure though, as you learn this, don't be afraid to like put your own little things in it or own little inflections or whatever, because I do that a lot. So you may hear me play this a couple times. I may do the slide a little bit differently, or may scoop into a note or slide into it shorter or something. So that's okay. Okay, so. Then from this G, you're going to slide up again. Kind of using the same notes, typical of blues type stuff. You take some motifs and kind of repeat them sometimes. So we have so far. All right, measure 4 going into measure 5. This might have been where there was a punch in or a cut or something. So whenever you hear parts in these solos that kind of sound like there's a little jagged part in the rhythm or something, sometimes what they'll do is they'll take 5 or 6 runs at the solo and then pick the pieces of it that they like really good. And back then you had to use tape. You couldn't just cut and paste it like you can today. It actually, piece these things together like that. So we got so you're sliding into this G, pull off, 13th fret, 12th fret on that G. So D starting off. Okay, so now let's take the crazy run here. We're gonna play it slow. Don't worry about playing it fast right now. Remember, you can always, when you're practicing the solo, pull up the video on YouTube, click that little gear symbol, a box will pop up, and inside that box you can change the speed. So as long as you're practicing and working the kinks out of these things, playing them slow, little by little you'll get them faster because your hands are in sync. So don't even worry about the speed, because this lick's kind of hairy. So we'll go over it slow. We got. That's your next one. So. That's it right there. So. Okay, so on that part, what you want to do is pull off here. Don't try to pick all those. Okay? Now, you have 5 of those after that, you're going to come back here. Okay, so that's 10th fret on your 2nd string. So. All right, so let's look at measure 7. We've got that riff first. You can even vibrato that on the top if you want. So. That time I hit it twice. Then now the next measure, we just have a high up bend. 15th fret is where we started off. And then we're going to the 18th fret for the next one. 15, 16, 17, 18. What we got on the next measure is all right, here's the long line at measure 11. Notice that last note? I did like a quarter bend, okay? It's not on the tab, but that gives, you know, in blues stuff, sometimes you do these little, so we got, the next lick, we have a pickup to another cool line in here. We're going to start here on your 12th fret, and we're going to slide up a whole step. Okay, so G to A. And that's your 13th fret on the first string. We're skipping a string there, so be sure and watch that, jumping over that B string. That's it. You're going to slide from this G .15, then your 13th fret on your first string. All right, here's the next lick. Okay, let me show you the next two notes, and then we'll come back and put that whole line together with these two high notes on there. 17th fret. So. All right, here's the next line. We're starting at measure 15. Got to get that shift down. Hit it again. That's your second string, 18th fret. He does this super fast. Like I said, go slow. You don't have to worry about speed. Worry about getting the lines down and gleaning things from these guys that you can take and make your own. So once you learn them, you don't have to play these licks verbatim. That's why when you go to shows and hear people play live, I don't know who's playing in Zapp right now, but I guarantee you if you hear it, they're probably not going to play this solo verbatim, okay? They're going to improvise. So here we go. Okay, so for the next line, I'm going to go ahead and play what we just played so I can tie them together, okay? So, here, we're on that 17th fret, second string. Another blues thing right there, rolling over onto this string. So you're going to roll over into that fourth string, okay? Don't think of hopping. He plays this lick really fast, so okay, 14th fret right there. That's your A. So, all right, here we go again. Here's your last part. Fourth string, you're back to the 17th fret. Roll it again. D note right there. Now I hit this twice. I'm not so sure if he's hitting it twice or if that's a delay on the original track. I always like to hit it twice when I play it, so you guys can hit it once if you want to, but here's the lick. Last note, you're going to bend here. That's your 15th fret F right there, so. That's it for this lesson. Remember, go over this video as many times as you need to get this down. No rush. Go to melbookermusic.com, click on the tab for the library. You'll see this dance floor. I changed the spelling on it, but you'll see it. Download that. If you want to donate, we appreciate it. We're keeping the library part of the site free. You guys can download those, share them with your friends or whatever, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you for watching this Mel Booker music video. For information on in-person lessons or one-on-one video lessons, please visit melbookermusic.com.